Can cats eat donuts? No, cats should never eat donuts under any circumstances. While a small lick of a plain donut might not be instantly fatal, these sweet fried pastries are very unhealthy and potentially toxic for your feline friend. If you were asking if it is safe to give a cat a donut, the answer remains a firm no. Donuts are packed with refined sugar, unhealthy fats, and processed carbohydrates that a cat cannot digest properly. Felines are obligate carnivores, meaning their bodies require meat and cannot process sugary human foods. Feeding your pet sweet pastries can lead to obesity, severe upset stomach, vomiting, diarrhea, and long-term dental problems. Even worse, many donuts contain ingredients that are extremely dangerous for pets. Chocolate glazes, raisin fillings, macadamia nuts, and artificial sweeteners like xylitol can cause rapid liver failure or death in felines. If you're wondering whether felines can digest fried pastries, their digestive systems simply are not built for them. If your pet accidentally consumes a donut, especially one with chocolate or xylitol, contact your veterinarian immediately for guidance. Stick to meat-based treats designed specifically for felines to keep your companion healthy and happy.